Hello everyone, I'm StarMax and this is Lego First Order Prototype Type Bomber, of course Lego Star Wars MOC Speedbuild. Let me know in the comments what do you think. This bomber really wasn't easy to build. The most difficult thing from all of that was to make the base for a fighter. Soon will appear my second vlog. In it I will tell you important information about the channel and I will show you other idea for fighter base. Next important but not easy thing was design the cockpit and the back of the bomber. The cockpit is a bit too long for me, but I had to make it in that way to leave a place for strengthening the wings. Now you can see the full interior. There are many details, control panels and other stuff here. And it's how it looks with pilot. On the back of the bomber is big engine. And here is hidden access to bombs. There are here 7 bombs. They can be dropped by remove this element and moving this part. Now I will present you how it works. Our bomber have 2 single wings connected in one point. Also some details here and on wings. Also this fighter have 2 cannons on each connection of the wings. I hope that you like this video. If you don't want to miss future videos, press the subscribe button and bell notification, in that way you don't miss anything. Also I encourage to watch next these videos on the right side. Goodbye and see you next time.